I'm Kelly Sprigg of eXp Luxury Realty and SYC Yacht. Today I'm here at the Esplanade Marina, located right in the heart of Marco Island on the Smokehouse Bay. Esplanade Marina, there's 77 total slips, ranging from 25 to 75 feet. The docks here are Bellingham concrete floating docks, and even at low tide, we've got 8 to 10 feet of depth. I'm Kelly Sprigg with eXp Luxury Realty and SYC Yacht. I'm known for creating your perfect package here in paradise, from your waterfront properties, your boats, and your boat slips. Call me anytime to put the whole package together for you. 239-370-1122.